Welcome once again. Let's talk about Terra Classic LUNC. LUNC have been able to burn over 176,215,329 Terra Classic LUNC coin have been destroyed within the past 24 hours, and this is amazing. It is good to see that Terra Classic is truly increasing. Now, one thing to understand about LUNC, definitely will pump, LUNC definitely will rise. Now, all we need is high investors to come into Terra Classic, and I'm happy for the fact that Terra Classic are also planning that this month, for the end of this month, they want to make sure they can burn about 2 to 4 billion or 2.5 billion coins of Terra Classic. And one good thing also is that Bitcoin have been increasing, BTC have been rising almost every day, and definitely the price of Bitcoin have been affecting Terra Classic positively. The price of Bitcoin have been affecting so many coins positively. So I'm happy that Terra Classic has been ranked among the top 70 or let's say top 100 crypto coins with the highest market cap is also doing well, because right now in the past 2 months, Terra Classic have been able to recover from they are able to gain over 37%. Okay, now for me, I think one thing they lack right now is high trading volume, and by the time if they can hit high trading volume, it's only have Terra Classic coin. Now there's so many new projects coming in, so many new upgrades, and definitely Binance also are ready to keep supporting Terra Classic network upgrade, and so many exchanges, especially crypto.com, especially Kucoin, are also ready to support Terra Classic in every upgrade. So for me, Binance are always there to support. Binance are always the first to always come out to stand, always the first to always come out to show their support for Terra Classic. So Terra Classic still remain one of the top coins based on the support they've been getting from Binance. One thing is that if Binance decides not to start supporting Terra Classic again, if Binance decides to pull out of Terra Classic, it will affect this coin. Definitely Terra Classic might be losing over 60 to 70% of its market cap, which means the current market cap, which is over $500 million, will be dropped down to about $100 million or $80 million. Definitely other people who still have some money, some cash on Terra Classic want to pull out, and that will be the end of Terra Classic. I believe if Binance decide to pull out of Terra Classic, it's definitely going to be the end of Terra Classic. But one thing is that these guys are not even planning, they're not even ready to abandon Terra Classic. They have said that so many times, but on their social media handles, that they will keep supporting this coin. They will keep showing great support towards Terra Classic LUNC. So let's keep hope. Let's believe that yes, one day Terra Classic will definitely become one of the big crypto coins, one of the super crypto coins that we always dream of, we always want. So let's keep supporting Terra Classic, and I believe very soon LUNC will make us proud. Now remember, this video is not a financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.